Okay, so tools of the trade. Now, HTML is just one tool in your toolbox for something that's called being a web developer. And frankly, I was like really trying to figure out like what tools do you use to do like HTML development, and that's a browser and a text editor basically. So I'm going to expand that question or the tools of the trade topic here just one further and simply talk about what's needed to be a web developer. So first and foremost, HTML, you need that. That's a hard requirement. Then it's CSS, and you can go to W3 Schools and learn everything you want to know about both CSS and HTML. These two are very like absolute bare bones critical. Then you have JavaScript. The W3 school has a lot of good stuff about that too, but I personally say that you go to Egghead.io to learn more about JavaScript, or Code Academy is really good as well. And lastly, I suggest that you learn Node.js, which is, if you know JavaScript, then learning Node should come fairly easy after that. And in essence, what Node will let you do is to create web servers and like serve up your content and create an application. You don't have to go with Node, but some type of server side framework. And if you are just starting out and you want to become a professional web developer, and I already told you, learn JavaScript, right? So if you don't know any programming language and you learn JavaScript as your first language, then the jump to becoming a Node.js developer is really really short. So instead of going and learning like PHP or Python or Java or like any of the other server-side programming language, I mean, if you want to, absolutely, I suggest you do that. But trust me, Node is pretty big and it's just getting bigger, so it's a good first stopping point. Now, that's basically the tools of the trade for modern web developers.